to do with your money?
Well, I think my wife's probably already got tabs on this check here.
What's she going to do with that?
Well, I think she's probably going to want to go out for a special night in Gloucester when I get back home.
Fantastic, mate. We'll take a break when we come back. Close into the hot seat next.
Coming up at 6, the city under siege. Massive explosions ring out in Kiev. Australian parents heading into the war zone, desperately trying to get their newborn daughter warm in the surrogate. And southern Sydney, a week of rain on the way. 9 News coming up at 6.
Hands off our homes. Families fighting to get their dream castles as council and developers pounce. A current affair tonight.
Check out how Noelle lost 30 pounds on Noom Weight. Noom helped her become more mindful of her habits.
I could not out-train a bad diet. Knew how to take back that control, and that for me was life-changing.
Sign up for Noom Weight and lose the weight for good.
Try Cole's simple zucchini spaghetti and meatballs recipe. Made with 5 ingredients in 30 minutes for less than $5.50 per serve. For over 100 quick and easy dinner ideas, visit coles.com.au.